Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LS performance parts is probably one of the most exciting upgrades you can make for your vehicle. These parts are designed to unlock the full potential of your LS engine, offering significant improvements in power, torque, and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a weekend enthusiast, the right LS performance parts can transform your driving experience. Number 5. BTR LS Stage 3 Truck Camshaft Kit. This kit from Brian Tooley Racing includes the Stage 3 truck cam, beehive springs, and more. It's designed to boost your truck's performance. This kit is perfect for those looking for more power. The Stage 3 camshaft features specs of 218 224.55 3.55 3110 plus 0 and requires a 3-bolt timing gear. It's engineered for truck enthusiasts seeking enhanced performance. This camshaft is a great choice for those wanting to upgrade their engine. The Stage 3 V2 camshaft offers a great all-around grind. It provides increased power at higher RPMs and a distinctive idle sound. While it's tow-friendly, an aftermarket converter is recommended for optimal results. This kit is excellent for 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, and 6.2 Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, and Escalade models. It may work with a stock converter in some trucks, but a 2800 to 3000 converter is recommended for best performance. It is a great upgrade for your truck. The kit includes the Stage 3 truck cam, beehive springs, a set of VSLS hat seals, and 7.400 chromoly pushrods. All components are designed to work together. This kit is a complete solution for your engine upgrade. What we like. This kit features a Stage 3 truck camshaft, perfect for those seeking enhanced power. It sacrifices some low-end torque for higher RPM performance, giving it a distinct sound. If you're looking for a noticeable upgrade in your truck's performance and enjoy a more aggressive engine note, this is the one for you. What people say. I installed this in my 014.8 LS, works great now and sounds amazing. It gave me more horsepower with the dyno tune and supporting parts like 3200 stall, long tube headers, etc. Install was relatively simple, just watched some YouTube videos. Number 4. A-Team Performance OBD2 Connector for Chevy GMC LS. This is the A-Team Performance OBD2 connector. It's designed to be a direct replacement for your vehicle's diagnostic port. This connector ensures a reliable connection for your diagnostic tools. This connector is compatible with Chevy and GMC LS series engines. It works with various engine sizes, including 4.8L, 5.3L, and 6.0L. This makes it a versatile solution for many vehicles. The connector is assembled with high-temperature TXL wire. It features the common GM color wires for easy installation. This ensures durability and longevity. This is a plug-in cable connector, making installation straightforward. It's a new OBD2 data link connector pigtail. You can easily replace your old or damaged connector. The connector uses an OEM Delphi Packard connector. It's built to the same standards as the original part. This ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. What we like. This OBD2 dashport wire pigtail is designed for easy installation and reliable performance. It's assembled with high-temperature TXL wire and features common GM color wires. If you need a dependable and easy-to-install connector for your LS engine, this will be a great choice. What people say. Works great for my LSX swap. Feels like a very good quality plug for the OBD port. Sometimes those OBD connectors plug in tight, this never felt like it was going to break or anything. Repinned my truck with this housing and ended up looking like original. Is what it says. Quality was fine. Wired correctly for the application. Number 3. A-Team Performance LS LS1 LS2 LS6 EFI Intake Manifold. This intake manifold, compatible with Chevrolet, GMC, and Pontiac LS engines, is designed for optimal performance. It's a robust solution for your vehicle's needs. Crafted from durable 3mm sheet metal, this intake manifold is built to last. The design ensures it won't bend or flex under pressure. The manifold is engineered to withstand both boost and vacuum conditions. This ensures consistent performance and reliability. This intake is approximately 2 inches taller than the stock version. This design change can improve performance. The kit includes a black intake manifold, a black drive-by cable throttle body, gaskets, hardware, black fuel rails, and a fuel crossover line. Everything needed for installation is included. What we like. This intake manifold features a 102mm throttle body and is fabricated from durable sheet metal. It includes all the necessary gaskets and hardware for a complete installation. If you are looking for an intake that can handle boost or vacuum without bending or flexing, this is a great option. What people say. Looks very well built, can't wait to see how it looks on the motor when I get it back from the machine shop. The manifold itself is great. Number 2. BTR LS Stage 3 Truck Camshaft Kit for Silverado Sierra. This kit from Brian Tooley Racing includes the Stage 3 truck cam, Beehive racing springs, and Michigan Motorsports valve seals. It's designed to enhance the performance of your truck's engine. This kit provides everything you need for a significant upgrade. Specifically designed for 4.8, 5.3, and 6.0 Vortec engines, this kit is a perfect fit for your Silverado or Sierra. The components are engineered for optimal performance and durability. It's a reliable choice for truck enthusiasts. The Stage 3 cam features a 218/224.55 3.553110 LSA with a 3-bolt pattern. It's engineered to deliver a noticeable cam sound. This cam will provide more average torque than the Stage 2 cam. The low-lift design allows for the use of GM LS2, LS3, and LS6 springs and pushrods. This makes it an affordable option for truck owners. It's a cost-effective way to boost your engine's performance. The Stage 3 cam delivers a noticeable cam sound. While it may sacrifice some low-end torque and fuel mileage, the performance gains are significant. Many truck owners seek this aggressive sound. What we like. This Stage 3 cam kit delivers a noticeable cam sound and improved performance. It's designed with a 3-bolt pattern for easy installation. If you want a cam that provides a distinct sound and improved torque, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The performance parts significantly improve the vehicle's acceleration and handling. Number 1. Painless 60217 EFI Harness for 1999 to 2006 GM Gen 3. This EFI harness is designed for easy installation. It utilizes new TXL wire and OEM fitment connectors. This makes the installation process straightforward, saving you time and effort. The terminals are machine crimped to match OE quality standards. Every EFI harness is tested before leaving the facility. This ensures each connector is properly pinned out and seated. A diagnostic port and check engine light are included. This allows you to check codes and troubleshoot issues, just like a new OE vehicle. It provides convenience and ease of maintenance. This harness uses TXL wire, known for its reliability. High strand count copper and high-quality insulation provide high abrasion resistance. This ensures the product's longevity and performance. This wiring harness is built for performance. It is designed with high-quality materials. You can trust it to deliver consistent and reliable performance. What we like. This EFI harness utilizes TXL wire and OEM fitment connectors for easy installation. The harness includes a diagnostic port and check engine light. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install wiring solution for your EFI setup, this harness is the perfect choice. What people say. Best harness on the market. This place is a complete joke. I sent my Painless harness back to have it checked out. That was over 2 months ago. They said my harness is bad and will not send it back. I've talked to Dennis the tech guy several times. He promises to send it back but never does. I called and spoke with a Greg who said it was shipped last month. This place is a complete joke and they promise a warranty for life. I guess I will have to file a report with the BBB about this place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.